In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Microsoft Teams. It's a quick and simple process that only takes a few minutes. Whether you've recently changed your name or just want to update how it appears in Teams, I'll walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you use more than one account, make sure you're logging into the correct one. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main Teams dashboard with all your teams and channels. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture or initials appear. Click on that icon to open your profile menu. This menu is where you can manage your personal information, settings, and preferences in Teams. Inside this menu, look for a small pencil icon. It may be easy to miss, but this is the button you use to edit your profile. Click on it to enter editing mode. Now you can update your name. Click on the name field and type in your new name. This could be a corrected spelling, a new last name, or even a preferred nickname. This is your chance to make sure your name reflects how you want it to appear to others. After entering your new name, take a moment to review it. Check for any typos or mistakes so everything looks exactly right. When you're happy with the change, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. This applies your new name to your profile. Your updated name will now appear across Microsoft Teams, including in chats and meetings, so your colleagues and teammates will see the new version right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos.